We all know how famous Italian cuisine is, from pasta to pizza. One indispensable ingredient is Parmesan cheese, the pride of Italians. An original wheel of Parmesan cheese from Italy weighs up to 88 pounds, has an average diameter of 45 to 60 centimeters, stands around 20 to 25 centimeters high, and sells for about $1,000 US. So, what makes Parmesan the king of cheeses? Join us to learn about the production process of this remarkable cheese. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Captain Discovery, as we can dive into some curious processes about anything in the world. Parmesan cheese originates from the Parma and Reggio Emilia regions of Italy, known for their ideal climate for dairy cows. The origins of Parmesan cheese date back to the Middle Ages, around the 12th century, by some Benedictine and Cistercian monks in the Reggio Emilia and Parma. The monks sought a way to preserve milk for long periods, leading to the development of this hard, long-lasting cheese. By the 15th and 16th centuries, Parmesan was a valuable commodity, traded extensively throughout Europe. Because of its long shelf life, wealthy families and nobility often included Parmesans in their provisions. In 1934, the Italian government established the Parmesan Cheese Association, setting strict standards for cow feed, processing, and preservation to maintain the cheese's purity and original quality. To make Parmesan cheese, we use fresh, raw cow's milk. Then, after collecting from dairy farms, milk is transported in refrigerated tankers to ensure freshness. In factories, large stainless steel replaced traditional copper vats, offering better control and sanitation. The mixture is slowly heated to about 33 to 35 degrees Celsius. Calf rennet is added to the milk, which contains the enzyme rennin to help coagulate the milk. A short break. Can you guess when the rennin enzyme was found? Is it A, in the 14th century, or B, in the 19th century? The answer will be disclosed at the end of the video. Stay tuned. After about 10 to 12 minutes, the milk curdles, forming a solid mass. The vats are equipped with temperature controls to maintain the optimal conditions for curd formation. The curd is cut using mechanical blades or wires to ensure uniform granules. Then, the curd mixture is heated to around 55 degrees Celsius while continuously stirred, ensuring the curd granules become firmer. The whey is drained off using automated systems or by hand. Robotic arms or workers collect the curd from the vat and transfer it into the molds.
It's the birth of twins. That's right, they call it the Parmesan twins.
The newborns are cradled in stainless steel rings to form a wheel. Stamps and codes on the rind indicate the identity of each one.
The curd is placed into molds, usually stainless steel, that shape the cheese into wheels. We use mechanical presses to expel any remaining whey and ensure the cheese takes on the correct shape. Then cover it with an identifying stamp. The cheese wheels are submerged in large automated brine tanks, where they are soaked for 20 to 25 days. The salinity and temperature of the brine are carefully monitored. Cheese wheels are transferred to climate-controlled aging rooms. The aging rooms have precise controls for temperature and humidity to ensure optimal aging conditions. The wheels are inspected by the Parmigiano Reggiano Consortium after 12 months. To meet the requirements, all the Parmesan cheese need to have at least 4 criteria. First, the cheese should be a uniform straw color. Then, the texture needs to be grainy and crumbly, with a complex aroma with nutty and fruity. The flavor should be rich, savory, and a balanced saltiness. Finally, Parmesan cheese is aged for a minimum of 12 months. Only cheese meeting these exacting standards can be stamped with the official Parmigiano Reggiano seal. Then, large wheels may be cut into smaller pieces using automated cutting machines. The cheese is vacuum sealed or packaged in controlled environments to extend shelf life. And now, it's time to reveal the answer to my question about the time when the renin enzyme was found. The answer is B. In the 19th century, in 1898, this enzyme was found by 2 scientists, Robert Tigerstedt and Per Bergman in Stockholm, Sweden. At that time, they were researching blood pressure and found that this enzyme was produced in the rabbit's kidney. Surprisingly, right? Cheese production exerts significant pressure on the environment and consumes substantial natural resources, so factories must implement practical measures to mitigate this impact. First, strict control of greenhouse gas emissions from farms to factories is essential. Efficient use and conservation of water resources are also crucial, along with optimizing energy for cooling and aging processes. Lastly, adopting environmentally friendly packaging can further reduce the industry's environmental footprint. That's the end of the video. If you want to know more about cheese and everything else in life, like and subscribe to Captain Discovery to ensure you don't miss out on anything interesting. Don't forget to subscribe to Captain Discovery for more interesting journeys.